The video is about removing the ransomware called REA. REA is a ransomware that is the part of the DHAMA ransomware family. My video is only for educational purposes though. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. You can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack, we are able to open our files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. All that can be opened easily without any troubles. However, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this REA ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. So this is what happens after the ransomware attack. You try to open this specific file and you get a message indicating that Windows can't open this type of file with this REA extension. The same applies to all other files. The ransomware also drops this ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start researching your computer with its help. As you can clearly see, the program is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. Most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. You need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of infections. You'll be able to know their exact locations on the computer. So we recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution for always protecting your data from further ransomware attacks. And you may always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus.